Hi guys, I want to share with you how I make this sling bag and a backpack using this pattern. There is a step-by-step video tutorial in my channel how to crochet daisy lace granny square and how to join. There are only 6 rows for the square, but I changed the last row into the chain 3. This is chain 5. For the sling bag and the backpack, I changed it into a chain 3. I'll show you one more time. So for this loop, this 4, this is chain 5, and for the bag, I changed it into chain 3. It is okay too if you want to make it into 5 like this. I just want to try to experiment it, and the corner remain the same. This is chain 3, chain 5, chain 5, chain 3, still the same, only this 4 and this 4 and this 4. And for the joining, you see here, over here I don't join it here, but in here I join it. Okay, like this. See this? Okay, so it's up to you. Like this. Or like this. I think both okay. I make 14 square for the backpack and 10 square for the sling bag. Be sure to check out the step-by-step video tutorial in my channel for the granny square and how to join. For the border, I just 1 single crochet in each loop to make it tight. Single crochet, and in here also single crochet, single crochet, 1 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 single crochet, I make another round for the single crochet. So for the top part or the border, I make 2 rows of single crochet and 1 row of double crochet, and the last one is single crochet with a picot stitch. For the double crochet, I make 10 double crochet and then chain 3, and then I skip 2. For the last row, I make 5 single crochet and then picot stitch, chain 3. The picot stitch, 5 single crochet and then chain 3, slip stitch to these 2 loops here, continue 5 single crochet again, gonna show you how to make this back strap. Make a slip knot, make 6 chain. This count as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now insert your hook to the back loops, skip 1 chain, and yarn over, pull through, to the next, yarn over, pull through, to the next back loop, yarn over, pull through, insert, yarn over, pull through, okay. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now yarn over, pull through 2 loops, 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 now chain 1, insert your hook to these 2 loops, yarn over, pull through, to the next, insert, yarn over, pull through, to the next, to the next, to the next, over, pull through 2 loops, continue, chain 1, insert your hook, insert your hook, insert your hook, continue, okay, chain 1 and continue. For the strap, just sew together like this. These 2 in the middle, this one in here, I'm gonna show you how to make this strap. Make a slip knot, chain 2, 1, 2, insert your hook to the first chain, pull it through, yarn over, pull it through all, insert your hook over here to the side loop here, yarn over, pull through 1 loop, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Now insert your hook to the loop on the side, these 2 loops, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through, repeat, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through, insert, yarn over, pull through, insert, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through, repeat, For the sling bag, I am using steel crochet hook size 2. So the square a little bit smaller and tight. For the backpack, I am using steel crochet hook size 4. So it's a bigger square. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.